love to all the divine souls. It is your girl Ocean, and I am finally back with another video. It been months, y'all. It been months, but I'm finally back. Yes, today we are on a trip. We're on a trip, okay? We are microdosing today by the river. As you guys can hear the water. It was a perfect time to make this while I was here by the river, and I am now cleansing it by the river, by the water, and I am giving thanks, and I am activating these cowrie shells. I am giving thanks to Mama Water. I am giving thanks to Heheru or Oshun. I'm giving thanks to Mother Nature as well for showing up in such a beautiful way every day. All in one, I'm giving thanks to the Most High Creator. The Most High Creatrix, Ashe. Okay, guys, I am at the river. I'm gonna go for a swim, and yeah, I'm gonna definitely show you my scenery and everything, because I can't record, and you know, yeah. Nothing but gratitude. We giving thanks. The reflection of myself. I see my reflection in the water. I give thanks to the water. I love my reflection. That means I love you because you're my reflection. Yay. This is so beautiful. We giving thanks to Mother Nature. Mama everywhere, okay? Oh, coming out my shoes for Mama. Show me what you gonna do for Mama. This is so beautiful. Peace and love to all my beautiful people. It is your girl Ocean, and I am here with Yay Yay. We just actually met today at the water. The water is like, yes, they have to know each other. They have to.
They united us.
Yeah, reunited us. Because maybe we met before.
I think so, because we're very comfortable.
Yeah, and we instantly just connected. Like, this is my sister. But right now we are on a mini nature walk and talking about our plans for tomorrow. Guys, we moving quick in this relationship. No talking stage. We're married already. But yes, I just thought I'll update you guys on what's going on. I'll show you guys the scenery. So this is the beautiful damage we are going through. Well, this is beautiful. I am so glad I got outside today. Okay, update guys, we are getting Thai food with my friend.
Look how yummy!
Yes! What's up?
What's up, what's up, what's up?
Thank you guys for watching. Peace and love, and all those good things.